The following method is a quick approximation that can be used when a chart begins reaching new record highs or lows. It is a rough alternative to fib extensions and projections. Since fib levels from various fib tools often group close together, it is likely a trend dropping to new record lows will have retracements under the current lowest upswing point. These retracements are likely to first be at proportions 0.236 or 23.6% of the distance below the downtrend. The current fib retracement is based on. A precise way to determine this area is to input negative 0.236 as an option for a fib level. The same can also be done for negative 0.382 and the other fib retracement proportions. These negative retracement levels may be an option in some programs. If they are not available, they can be entered manually as options for fib levels. An alternative route that is more practical and convenient is to simply extend the zero level at the lowest point of the fib retracement down until the 0.236 level occupies the approximate area the zero level previously occupied. This is of course a less exact method, but that is normal since this method is only used for rough approximations. The result will be the zero level at a roughly 23.6% distance below the fib retracement that was based on a downtrend. This diagram has the zero level at the exact 23.6% distance below the fib retracement for demonstrative purposes. More commonly, it will be a rough approximation that will be adequate to have the 0.236 level moved down to the previous area the zero level occupied. This concept also applies to a fib retracement when a chart is progressing to new record highs, except the zero level is moved up until the 0.236 level approximates the previous location of the zero level.